what I do is I architect processes for defining differentiators and differentiation through value innovation. So I put value innovation at the helm of profitable growth. And when I say growth, doesn't mean just money-wise, but growth in terms of demand, in terms of the satisfaction and quality of life of the people involved in producing a product or a service, and why not growth for the business, or through a value-driven business model. I was very happy to have a participatory audience into my little presentation, which I intended it to be more like a little mini workshop. And it was wonderful. It feels like it's an energy of people that are enjoying, are passionate about technology and about life, are inspiring, and it's really great to be here. I'm being surprised by the, and it's no secret, ChatGPT, OpenAI, I use that as a body for ideation. And if I know how to prompt ChatGPT for the right, to become a buddy, then it's amazing the results and the kind of avenues and explorations that come up that I wouldn't, it would have taken me hours, days, weeks maybe to come up with something. The AI is still in the infancy as far as becoming a consumer-grade product, and I already think of ways, for instance, I'm looking, when I deliver something, when I deliver my consultancy or my facilitation work, I have to be there. So I am a part that is important for the process and for the client, and I have to be with the client. But now I believe that with artificial intelligence there is a way to train the engine so that actually to clone almost myself, to clone my professional expertise in an area to a point where clients can actually access me, actually not 100%, but if they get 80% of being with me, that's a lot. What happened is, because the script was so well put together and consistent, I only took it was a one take for the video. So basically, this kind of product to be done from next day, it would have been impossible without artificial intelligence. In also my role as an educator, I use artificial intelligence to design my lesson plans in a way in which I want to bring some aspects which are not so easy for me to create, like to create like a gamification paradigm. And with AI, I can do that. So basically, I am free from the concerns of how I say and what do I say. "20 years ago, I believe 85, in 2005, I found out about Blue Ocean Strategy, and I was just starting up my new business. And the only thing that I got from the book at that time was I got that there are red oceans, meaning there are businesses in leadership or consulting or coaching that are very similar, that are very much in a red ocean. And I looked at what would be a blue ocean for me with what I can do. And I saw that it was to go across different fields like coaching, leadership, strategy, to create like a Cirque du Soleil between them so that I can offer a multidimensional value to clients, not just specific coaching. You are a coach, so you deliver just coaching. But the client needs to have also be able to do strategy. How does he do? Well, then you have to design processes that lead to strategy, or you want to design culture, to create a culture by design in a company. Well, that you need another set of distinctions and abilities and skills. So I realized that instead of trying to be the best coach or the best leadership, transformational leadership facilitator or leader. It's to take the essence, the core value from each and to create a unique package that I could go from one to many or from many to one with ease. I see passion, and I saw it in the people that attended, and I saw it in organizers who are people that now I feel that I make friends for life. And the passion for, I saw in the eyes of people who actually participated and were curious and had great questions about what's happening. Then it's inspiration, because this kind of work, that kind of opening and this kind of passion led to openings that were inspiring. So there are some new views and some new ways of looking at the presentation or what I had to do that came with a freshness of perspectives from the people attending. So I see that this was inspiring for me, and I hope it was inspiring for them. And the other one is creativity, because ultimately the folks are here because they want to see something better, something else, something that brings new life into what they do, and also creative in the sense of creating new opportunities that they haven't thought of, or new ways of thinking, or new ways of doing something that was new to them.